Moving on, we're getting some breaking updates. The Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee has announced that non-Hindus will not be allowed in entering Badrinath Kedarnath Dham and other temples that are under its control. My colleague Anupam Trivedi from News 18 is joining us. Anupam, why this decision now? Anupam, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
हाँ जी अनुपम जी, ये डिसीजन अभी क्यों लिया गया है?
ये जो decision because there have been a debate for the quite some time whether the non-Hindus should be banned in Haridwar Ganga Ghats. And after this debate, there has been some discussions on various levels. After this, the Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee has taken this decision. They will also try to implement this non-Hindus clause for their revered shrine like Badrinath and Kedarnath. You know that every year lakhs of devotees from throughout the country and also from the abroad visit these two shrines. And the portals of these two shrines are opened around April and May. So the BKTC says that they should implement this order as well for these two shrines. But the point is, because in Kedarnath, particularly in Kedarnath, the lot of pony riders, those who have been those who have ponies for the pilgrims over there, they are like non-Hindus from Kashmir and from some Western UP. So the point is, how will they implement really this order? So there the discussions have been going on. The BKTC says that they will first pass the resolution in their board meeting, and once the resolution is passed, then they will take it forward to the government. The Chief Minister, meanwhile, Pushkar Singh Dhami has also said that he would consider any such resolution is passed from the Temple Committee, and he would discuss with the cabinet colleagues as well.
Okay, so this whole trend where certain Hindu pilgrimage sites are announcing that they don't really want non-Hindus to come there is increasing. As my colleague Anupam was telling, this happened in Haridwar as well. And in Haridwar, we have seen, Anupam, that there have been boards that have been put up that entry of non-Hindus is barred. Now, ordinarily, it shouldn't be such a big concern because generally when it comes to places of worship, certain ancient sites especially or active, temple sites, there is for most religions, you don't really have non-members of that community coming in. But is this becoming controversial as far as Badrinath Kedarnath is concerned?
Because, as I said, particularly those who are associated in the local businesses and who have some businesses like the taxi owners, they are from non-Hindu communities as well. And from the pony riders as well.
So will it affect business owners, or is this about devotees who may enter the temple premises?
See, more or less the devotees who visit these places are mostly the Hindus. Mostly maximum are Hindus. And this is I guess if this order is implemented, that it could hurt to a certain extent to the business communities who are non-Hindus, particularly the taxi owners, the travelers, the drivers, and any such thing which like in Badrinath, we have a road connectivity till Badrinath shrine. But in case of Kedarnath, we have like pony connectivity, either the chopper connectivity or the pilgrims go by foot. So there the pony riders could affect. But in Badrinath, the taxi riders could also affect to a certain...
Okay. Anupam, just stay with me. I've got Vinod Bansal of the VHP joining us. Mr. Bansal, is this really necessary after Haridwar, because Badrinath Kedarnath may also ban the entry of non-Hindus, and it seems it may not just about be the devotees, it can affect those who have ancillary businesses around these temple sites.
Okay, the question is that these are the places of worship and the places of belief. The non-believers keep the nuisance over there. So many incidents we have seen. And recently we have seen this what has happened in Ram Temple. वो एक जिहादी जाकर के वो राम टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स में ही नमाज पढ़ने लग जाता है. हमने देखा कि अमृतसर में श्री हरिमंदिर साहब के अंदर वहाँ पवित्र सरोवर में कुल्ला कर देता है. इस तरह की हरकतें थूक जात की अनेक घटनाएं हमने इसमें देश भर में देखी हैं. हमारी धार्मिक यात्राओं के दौरान भी और तीर्थ स्थलों पर भी. तो इस तरह की चीजों को अभी तक हिंदू समाज इन सब चीजों को लाइटली ले रहा था. कोई बात नहीं, चल जाएगा. लेकिन अब हमें अपनी पवित्रता और जो उसकी जो सैंक्टिटी है उसकी रक्षा करने के लिए शायद हमारे धर्माचार्यों ने जरूर समझा कि अब ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नास्तावान लोगों का आस्था के क्षेत्र में प्रवेश नहीं हो. जैसे हम उसकी पवित्रता को बरकरार रख सकते हैं, उसकी
तो
सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी को भी इंश्योर कर
सिर्फ
सकते हैं।
श्रद्धालुओं के लिए ही ये रूल होना चाहिए कि वहां पे जिनकी दुकानें हों या जो पोनी राइडर्स हैं, जो टैक्सी चलाते हैं, उनके लिए भी होना चाहिए?
नहीं, देखिए वो जो लोकल जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिसाइड कर रहा है अभी वहाँ में, जिस तरह से जो वहाँ पर जो लोकल सेंटिमेंट्स हैं, उस हिसाब से जो मैनेजमेंट कमेटी है वो सब उसको डिसाइड करेगी कहाँ पर कैसे कैसे होना चाहिए। लेकिन बात कुल मिला के ये है कि देखिए ये कोई पर्यटक स्थल नहीं है, ये धार्मिक स्थल है और अधार्मिक गतिविधियां उधर नहीं होनी चाहिए।
जी,
तो इसीलिए इन सब चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये सब निर्णय लिए जा रहे हैं। तो मुझे
Okay.
लगता है इसका स्वागत करना चाहिए सबको।
Okay, we'll wait and see what ultimately is decided as far as the Badrinath Kedarnath shrines are concerned. There are multiple temples, of course, that come under this shrine board.